your home for now. So now we're done our check-in. We're here. Why it's not really same as here in Bellagio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sam is here. Sam's gonna stay. Hi Sam. Sam's gonna stay here in our room. This is my
room now.
yeah, this is your room for now. But this house is my husband's mom, my mother-in-law's house. So we're here in Las Vegas. We're having our vacation for a little while, and we're heading to our hotel, the Bellagio Hotel. So Jim and I were gonna check in later, and they will drop us off with Sam with us. Sam's just done her online learning. She just done, so we're really waiting for the time. So yeah, this is my bag that I'm gonna bring, and of course this is my luggage that I'm gonna bring here. This is my luggage, not so heavy.
Mine is.
Yeah, yours is heavy because she brought a lot of books because of school. She's just doing online, that's why she got come over with us. Well, I will see you, and I will do the room tour in that hotel. My first time though, but I'm so excited. I don't know what I'm gonna expect there, but let's see. Now in the Bellagio Hotel, we're doing our check-in. Oh my god, I remember this. Doing check-in right now. Huh? I know, it's really beautiful. Look at that, the dirt that's their ceiling. We're checking right now. So now we're done our check-in. We're here now. We're waiting for Mom and Fred. Our view in our room. There's a little table there. That's so nice. Really, there's some fountain earlier here, and that's our room. Front of the fountain, and our bed, and honey is here, and our TV is here. Also, we have TV. We have cabinets. Oh, that's so cool. When you open it, it's automatically the lights is on. Cool. There's some flat iron. There's some drawer. Ooh, look at that. Drawers. Oh, it's quiet. Maliit lang siya. Small room, but you have a great view of Las Vegas casinos. Right, baby, right?
Very good, honey. The Paris Hotel
The
Casino.
Paris, yeah. The Hilton. That's so cool. And that's a door. We are here. And this is our CR. Hi. That's it. And our shower. Ang liit lang siya. Hindi siya kalakyan, pero sakto na rin for 2 days, 2 nights. We're staying here 2 nights, and there's some bathtub also. I don't know if we're gonna use that. I'm not really a fan of it. Big mirror, only 1 sink. One thing that's really cool with this is they have this drapery. How you call this? Drapery?
Yep.
When you close it, you're gonna close it, and that window they're gonna close it. I'll try to press this, and you're gonna close. Look at that, so cool. Oh yeah, and then also the sheer second curtain gonna be closed. Ooh, cool. It's so cool, honey, isn't it? Oh, oh, the lights is in there. That's the bed. I'm looking forward to lay down here. It's cozy. It's really cozy. It's good for a couple. It's good for a couple and a couple nights.
You're very clever, honey.
I know I am. Thank you, honey. So gym gonna be open right now. And it's automatically. Ooh, cool. Yay. You have the nice view of the Paris. There you go. Cool. Look at all these lights. That's what you call Las Vegas, baby. Have all those drinks from wine and everything. Some, I don't know what it's in there, but vodka. Of course, soft drinks. There's Pinot Noir. Is that a wine? Where's the lights here, baby? It's so dark. Wow. Yeah, it's all drinks in there. The vodka. And if you're gonna get them for 10 seconds? Or you said
I don't know exactly how long.
Right,
But it's
how long?
all automated right here. See?
Yeah, it's automatic. Automatic mini bar, fully computerized. Wow. Every item you take out will immediately be charged to your account. Even you're not drinking it? Oh my god. Well, that's what Vegas, baby. That's why the casinos really work and really successful, because all pays with money. Everything is money here.
That's right.
Anyway, it's so cool. It's our room tour for today.